Well, winding down today's trading session, and we've gotten off the week on a fairly somber note. At 11,126 is where we are wrapping it up with a 200-point drop on the Sensex, 37,923. The broader universe too seems a little bit sketchy, and it's only IT and metals that are in the green. Barring that, it's been a lot of pressure from the Nifty bank, and that sector has really crumbled and brought down the entire market. Pharma, realty, as well as the FMCG basket aren't really holding out, and that breadth is skewed in favor of the losing side. A long list of losers, and primarily those financials. So it's ICICI Bank goes home with a 6% gash at 358. Remember, the higher provisions on COVID have hurt their profitability, but a lot of brokerages across the board continue to remain very upbeat. You've got Z Entertainment 4% after an abysmal quarterly show, the first ever operational or EBITDA loss that they delivered. HDFC Bank 3.5% off. Axis Bank, IndusInd, SBI, Bajaj Finance, Cipla, Tata Motors and ITC in the red. Asian Paints active in today's trading session, post numbers. HCL Technologies, Infi and TCS lighting up the screen, and something like Bajaj Auto too manages to hold out in trade. Meantime, you've got a whole host of other stocks and some result reactions as well. You had Escorts, which came out with its quarterly set of numbers. So that stock reacting. Kotak Bank, a 1,244 crore rupee PAT. There's been a provision to the tune of 962 crores. Havells India delivered its numbers, a 64% drop in its profits as well as revenues, which are down nearly 45%. Marico, another newsmaker in terms of numbers, where the revenues came in quite healthy at 1,925 crore rupees. The profits higher than what the street was betting on at 388 crores. Apart from that, then you had some of the results from the weekend as well as on Friday's trading session. There was ITC, which reacted to its quarterly show. The cigarette business has performed quite poorly. JSW Steel, something like Ambuja Cements as well, reacting to its quarterly numbers. Within the broader universe, then, it's a whole host of stocks that have come to the declines and have come under pressure in today's trading session. Long listed that, starting with M&M Financials, ICICI Securities, Equitas as well as Reddington, Sterlite Tech, GHCL, something like REC, Heritage, Dishman Carbogen and Lakshmi Vilas Bank have been the casualties. On the flip side though, Persistent holds out. Inox Leisure up about 6%. L&T Info has a good run. Kajaria, Jindal Steel as well as Sterling & Wilson, a newsmaker today. Muthoot Finance, ICICI Pru, Thyrocare and Supreme Industries along with Hindustan Zinc go home with gains in today's trading session. And that pretty much wraps up what has been a fairly subdued day of trade. The Nifty shedding something like 100 points from the high point of the day, and the Nifty Bank as well cracking nearly 850 points from the day's high.